Hello dear students, once again welcome back to your online class. This is your subject teacher of English from Alpam Public School situated in Golabachar, Gorakhpur. Student, today's video I am going to explain the remaining exercises of chapter number 2. So student, for that you all take out your New Gems English Reader book and start the exercises of chapter number 2. So firstly, in my last video I'm explain the exercise H, but student, now today's I'm again going to explain the exercise H. So here in exercise H there is a choose word from the box to name the pictures. So students, what will we do in this exercise? So we have to write name of the given picture by choosing from the box. Okay, so there is a first picture of girl, so we have to write the correct spelling of girl. Okay, so here is the correct spelling of girl. It is G-I-R-L. So we have to write here G-I-R-L, girl. Okay, after that the next picture is kite. So we have to write kite here. So tell me what the correct spelling of kite. So it is K-I-T-E, kite. And after that next picture is bicycle. Okay, it's a bicycle. So we have to write the spelling of bicycle. So the spelling of bicycle is B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Okay, and after that next picture is there is school. What is this? This is school. So we have to write the spelling of school. So tell me what the correct spelling of school. So it is S-C-H-O-O-L, school. We have to write on given blanks spelling of school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Okay students. Now moving to the next picture, here is the picture of a boy. So we have to write here boy. So tell me what the correct spelling of boy. So it is B-O-Y, boy. So you have to write down the spelling of boy, B-O-Y, boy. After that next is, what is this? This is an animal and its name is hippo. We call it hippo. So we have to write down the spelling of hippo. It is H-I-P-P-O, hippo. What the spelling of hippo? H-I-P-P-O, hippo. Like this you have to write exercise H in your book with a good handwriting. So tell me, in the first picture there is girl. What the spelling of girl? G-I-R-L, girl. After that kite, K-I-T-E, kite. Next is bicycle, B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Then school, S-C-H-O-O-L, school. After that boy, B-O-Y, boy. Next is hippo, H-I-P-P-O, hippo. Okay student. So now after complete the exercise H, moving to the next exercise, there is a exercise I. Okay, so before doing the exercise I, you can see on the screen that there is a example for you that how could you complete this exercise I. So firstly there is look at the picture and read the words. So student, you have already learned about the singular and plural form. So here is the, you can see there is a one cat. So there is only one cat, so we have to write one cat. Okay, and after that, when, tell me how many cats are here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So student, you can see there is a one cat, it means it is singular. And after that, when the more cats are including in the second picture, so we have to say that there is a many cats. So student, we have to write cats here. Okay, we have to add s or es to change the word from singular to plural. Okay student, we have to change any singular word in plural form by adding the s or es. Okay, so student, here we have to add s to make here cats. Okay, because here is one cat, so we have to write only one cat, but there is total 5 cats, so we have to add s and after that write many cats. Okay, so like this you have to do the exercise I. So there is a first, make many words by adding s. Okay, so we have to add s to change this word from singular to plural. So there is a first is boy. So when we add s, so it becomes boys. Okay, boys, boys. Next is key. So when we add s, so it becomes keys. Okay, keys, keys. Third is lock. So we have to add s, so it becomes locks, locks, locks. Then fourth is kite. So we have to add s, so it becomes kites. Okay, kites, kites. Now the next stage, goat. Number 5 page, goat. So we have to add s, so this word becomes goats, goats, goats. Now the next, plate. Number 6 is plate. So we have to add s, so when we add s, so it becomes plates. Okay, plates. Okay, so plates, plates. Now moving to the next exercise. So student, there is a next exercise is writing work for you. So what will we do in this exercise? Here is exercise L. In exercise L, write one sentence about these animals. So student, here are some animals name. You have to write about one sentence for these animals. Okay, so there is a first animal is squirrel, a squirrel. So for a squirrel, we have to write that a squirrel eat nuts. Okay, what will we write? We have to write a squirrel eat nuts. Now the next, in second, there is a next animal is fox, a fox. So what will we write? So we have to write for fox that a fox is a wild animal. We have to write a fox is a wild animal. Okay student. Now the third is rabbit. Third is rabbit. So we have to write for rabbit that a rabbit is a pet animal. A rabbit is a pet animal. So like this, you have to complete exercise L. Okay, you have to write one word for each animals. Okay, you have to write one sentences about these animals. Okay students, so after completing exercise L, you have to revise your all the exercises one by one. So in exercise A, there is a who said this word, take the correct word. So in number 1, we have to take, there is a statement, I am crying because my ship has run away. So there is option number B is correct. Okay. In second statement, the bee will sting me, I must run. So we have to take option number A. Now the next, exercise B. In exercise B, there is a write one word answer. So we have to write here that what did the little boy have? So we have to write a sheep. Student, the spelling of sheep is SHEEP, sheep. Okay. In second, there is a where did the sheep run away? So you have to write into the forest. You have to write forest spelling here. Okay. What the spelling of forest? So FOREST, forest. Now the next third is what did the sheep want to eat? So you have to write grass, GRASS, grass. Number 4, where did the little boy want to go? So you have to write here home, HOME, home. Number 5, who made the sheep go home? So you have to write the B. What the spelling of B? BEE. After that, in exercise C, there is label the animals in the picture. So there is a first, in first picture there is cow. So you have to write cow here. What the spelling of cow? So COW, cow. In second picture there is cat. The spelling of cat is CAT, cat. Then next is peacock. What the spelling of peacock? PEACOCK, peacock. Next is rabbit. So what the spelling of rabbit? RABBITE, rabbit. After that, elephant. What the spelling of elephant? ELEPHANT, elephant. Next is monkey. MONKEY, monkey. Okay student. And after that, we have to do the exercise D. So there is in exercise D, how do these animals move? Circle the correct words. So here we have to circle the correct movement of the given animals. So in number 1 there is bee. So the movement of bee is flies. So we have to circle the word flies, FLIES, flies. In second there is snake. So the movement of snake is crawls, CRAWS, crawls. So we have to circle it. In third there is a fish. So a fish movement is swim, so we have to circle the word swim. Number 4 is a rabbit, so the movement of rabbit is hops, so we have to circle hops. Number 5 is a duck, so the movement of duck is swim, so we have to circle the swim. Number 6 is a horse, so we have to circle the given word trots. Okay, like this we have to complete exercise D. After that, in exercise E, there is join the letters to make words starting with B and C. So in number 1 there is a boy, B-O-Y, boy. Second is bad. Third is bad. So the spelling of boy is B-O-Y. The spelling of bat is B-A-T. The spelling of bad is B-E-D. Now then in second there is C-A-P, cap, C-A-T, cat, C-A-R, car. So like this you have to complete exercise E. After that, in exercise F, you have to change the first letter in a capital letter, and after that write down on the given blanks like this: Tina, Sia, Rita, Ali, Raman and Rosa. Okay students. So now moving to the next, there is in exercise G, there is circle the names of animals. So you have to only circle the animal's name. Okay, so there is the first is cow, second is fox, third is cat, and fourth is butterfly. So like this you have to circle the animal's name. So student, like this you have to complete these exercises, okay, in your notebook with a good handwriting, and you have to read these exercises, okay student, and after that you have to write these exercises one by one in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay students, so that's it for today. So till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.